Days without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed over.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, everyone, depending on the time of day that you are watching this video. How is everyone doing? I hope you are having an amazing day or you had an amazing week. Hi guys, I'm coming to you with another makeover, but this time in my bedroom. So I want to give you a little close-up of the wall. I did not realize that there was so much going on the wall, and I don't know if you are able to get a clear picture of it. Maybe the lighting is kind of throwing it off, but yes, there was all going on the wall with the holes and the paint peeling off and so on. So my goal today is to paint this wall in black. Now it's not like a pitch black. I've already prepped the wall, sanded the areas that needed to be sanded off, and so right now I'm going to Swiffer the wall, make sure everything is clean, the floor and everything, and then I'm going to prep the wall with the tape and so on, and we're gonna get into it. So stick with me guys, and let's see what happens at the end. Okay guys, so I have started the painting process. So this is what I have done so far, and so far it's looking okay, it's looking good. So I'm going to finish up the rest, do the first coat, and then I'll come back. Alright guys, so this is the finished look, and I have to say yes, I am loving it. I am satisfied. Now guys, at some point during the painting process I did run out of paint, so if you look close enough you would notice that some of the original paint is still bleeding through. So I definitely would have to do some touch-up. But so far it's okay. I can work with it for now. Now I did get a new bed from IKEA, so that's the next thing that I will be bringing into the room. I'll be working on putting the bed up. So stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so this is the bed that I said that I had to put up. I did most of it off camera because it's just me alone, and I had to go through some extreme measures to get this thing up to this point. So I'm going to finish putting up the rest, and we'll see how that goes. Alright guys, so this is the bed all put together, and I've already brought in the mattress and stuff. Now the bed does come with 2 drawers, and this is the larger drawer, the bigger one. It does have 2 compartments, and the drawers are deep, they go all the way in. So this is the larger one. And here is the smaller one. Okay guys, so I'm done. I have brought everything else back in. I did not want the video to be too long, so some of the stuff I did it off camera. So I brought in the rest of the furniture pieces, I put up the accessories, made up the bed, decorated, you know, the usual. And so now we're good to go. So it's time for the big reveal. So guys, check it out.
Please show me something good in my life. For once I like to bury my pride. Never have I been so alone, so alone. Maybe all I need is love. That's all I need tonight. Hoping can never be enough. Never know till you try. I guess you know that I'm hurting so. Tonight this loneliness from my hands. Leave me something I can depend. A vision of you is all I need to believe. To believe. That's all I need tonight. Hoping can never be enough. Never know till you try. I guess you know that I'm hurting so.
So guys, this is it. We have come to the end of the video. I want to thank you so much. If you stuck it out with me right to the end, thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it. As always, I would like that you give a thumbs up to the video if you are pleased with what you saw, and please subscribe to the channel if you have not yet already done so, and share with a friend who you think would gain something by watching the video. Thank you so much guys for your support and your encouragement as always. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.